Okay, I'm going to go back to our index.html and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where our polyfills are, and I'll copy the location of these and we'll put these in to our grunt file. So this should be all of our JavaScript. And now let's decide what we want to call this. Now I think the dist built is fine. It probably follows some convention, but I'm going to put our JavaScript in our JS folder and I'm going to call it all.js, just like the file we were creating before when we were manually concatenating everything. All right, I'm going to save this. And then in our task here, I'm going to change this to run just concat.js until we get our CSS squared away as well. I'll save it. And now let's go back to our terminal screen and I'm going to run grunt again. Okay, so it says that the file js/all.js.js has been created. I'll go back to our file system and here's our all.js.js file. And it looks like it's 442 kilobytes, which sounds about right for all of the different files we had loaded in.